Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope everybody's doing good. Sorry, I have not been posting for long, and I'm really sorry about that. I've been so busy lately, so I really apologize about that. Sorry, guys. Okay, sorry. Okay, today we are going to talk about how to take care of yourself, how to take care of your, especially how to take care of your bum, right? Your breast, and how to take care of your hands, your bum, they call it, the kids call it. So today, guys, I'm going to show you. I discovered some secrets that I'm going to share with you, and I'm also using it on myself. And it's really working. I really like the result I'm seeing. So, you know, I've breastfeeding my kid, of my kids 1 year, 2 months, 2 weeks. Yeah, my kids with breast. So I'll be breastfeeding them. So after breastfeeding, my breast was not okay. It was just looking down, you know. I was like, hey, you don't have to look down on me. So I was talking to my breast, so I had to do something about it. So I discovered this secret. So I started using it, because before showing something, I have to use it on myself. When it's working, then I can show you guys, and you too, you also try it. So guys, this is really working, and I'll show you what we are going to use. It doesn't cost. It's something we've seen every day, we have in our kitchen. So guys, when you use it, if you want to use it for your breast, on your bum, it's up to you, but you'll be really good. You'll be okay with it. Then let's start. Let me show you guys. Okay, so for that, guys, we just need acme. In my country they call it acme. In Cameroon they call it Johnson. We use it for spices or make soup with it. We need this, we need this. Then we need Vaseline, this particular one, Vaseline, shea butter, and we need this is fenugreek, the powder. This is the powder one that we are going to use to do our secret. So what I did, I just blended the acme. I just blended it. Then I put it in. This is here. When I blended this, people can see how it become. I blend it very well, and I mix it with olive oil, and kept it for I think about 1 week. But you don't have to do that. You don't have to do that. You can only blend this. You can only blend this very well. Just blend it very well, and use your fenugreek powder and mix it with the shea butter. So what I did, I just melted my shea butter. When I melt it, this has it come, because you have to melt it before mixing everything. So I melted my shea butter. This is how it is. So we are going to start to mix it. We are going to start to mix it. So what we are going to do, I'm going to pour my acme that I blended and mix it with olive oil. I'm going to pour it into my shea butter. I'm going to pour it there, pour it everything. Then add the Vaseline. I'm going to add the Vaseline. I'm going to add. For that, there's no measurement. You can do it whatever you want. I'm going to add the Vaseline. Maybe like 2 spoons of Vaseline. Then pour my fenugreek powder. Let me pour it inside. Maybe I'll take 2 spoons of that. 2 spoons of that. then you have to try to, mix it very well. And after mix it very well, you just have to keep it in a cold, dry place. Then you'll be using it twice a day. Like you use in the morning and you use in the evening before sleeping. But let me tell you guys, this fenugreek, the smell is too strong, really strong. So it really smells on you. So, but it will be beautiful. You have to sacrifice yourself. So this is really, it really smells. The smell is really strong. The smell is really, really strong. So when you finish to mix to mix it very well, what you are going to do, you massage your breast. If the breast you want to have, give some nice shape, you massage your breast from down to up. Don't start from up to down. You want your breast to look at you. So you have to start massaging from down to up, right? Massage from down to up for about 5 minutes, twice a day. You do it in the morning and you do it in the evening before sleeping. And when you do it, you don't sleep. So guys, that is how it is. When you massage your breast, you don't sleep in your back, please. Okay? So you don't sleep in your stomach. Sleep on your back. In your back, right? And what I do before massaging my breast, I wet my towel with cold water, then put it in my breast before putting this. So I always, but you don't have to do it and put it directly. But it's also good if you can do that, like put some cold water in your breast, then after apply this cream for your breast. You can also massage. You can also use this one to massage your hands, your bonbon. If you want to give some little volume of your bonbon, you can use it. Massage very well from down to up. In about also 5 minutes. You can do more if you are more energetic. You can do it more like about 10 minutes if you want to go to, but 5 minutes is okay. So after doing that, I'll put it in the fridge and start using it, because the first one I did is finished. So I'm doing this one for my second trial. Okay. Thank you guys. So guys, I'm done today for this secret. I will still come back for a lot of secret. Okay, thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate you. Please invite also your friends or your family member to support me. I'm really new on this blogging YouTube stuff, so I really need your support, right? I really need your support. I'm really new, so sorry if I'm making some mistakes, that I'm really new, but in the future I will do more, right? If also you have some subject you want that I should talk about it, you can send me a message or send me email, right? We are here to help each other. I love you guys and stay positive. God bless you and see you soon. I love you guys. Mwah.